Okay, so first of all, I thought I'd give you a little video on painting. So I dip my brush in just a little bit, and I don't tap it on the side or anything because I don't want to get that all messy. Now notice I'm not going all the way into that crease. We came down with the purple, and now we're just going to try to do a straight line. And then I'm going to bring it back. Remember, the white's already done. The purple was done. I went over on both sides. So this is the last color. So I'm just going to bring it in. So I get a nice edge there. And you see the purple. Okay, so it's not perfectly straight there. But, you know, when you're down on the ground, no one's going to be this close unless they're on this lift. And you have shadows and everything else. So realistically, if you go into that crease and you try to get right to it, the problem is your brush will end up hitting the purple on this side. And then you don't get a good seam. So by leaving a little extra there, you get a straighter edge. It's clean. And you can see how good it looks here. And we're only a foot away. So that's a little trick on painting.